Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Boost on Betmgm. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open your web browser. Then on the search bar, type in Betmgm. Once you press enter, you will get these kind of results. From this, click on the first link. Then it will take you to this page where you'll have to select a location. Now from this list, select the location. Then it will take you to its home page. Now once you're on the home page, make sure you log into your account, and if you don't have an account, you can create one by clicking on this sign up button at the top right corner, and if you already do have an account, click on this login button. Once you click on it, it will ask you to enter your login credentials, and once you have entered the information, click on this login button. And in case if you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link to recover it. Once you click on the login button, you'll be logged into your account. Now, once you have logged in, what you'll have to do is, first of all, you need to acquire Boost tokens. Once you have received Boost tokens, all you have to do is select any match that you want to place bet on. For example, I'll just select MB, and then I'll just select this match. And once you're on this section, all you have to do is place your bet. For example, I just select this one, and on the right hand side, I'll have to enter my stake. Once you have entered the stake, it will show you a green option that says apply reward. That is your Boost reward. Click on it, tap on the boost that you want to use, and at last place your bet. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks.